Welcome to JH. Tivonette.com claims to be a global hub for trendy fashion, but we have to ask, is it a legit storefront or just another digital trap for the fashion forward? Let's peel back the layers of this mystery, because nothing says high-end style like a website that feels like it was built in a basement during a power outage. First, let's look at the registration details. The site was apparently registered in December 2025, which is a neat trick considering we haven't even reached that year yet. I suppose they're selling future fashion, or more likely, they just can't keep their lies straight. Being this new means they have zero track record, which is a massive red flag for anyone who actually enjoys receiving the items they pay for. Then we have the product photos. A quick look reveals that Tivonette didn't bother hiring a photographer. They just went on a copy-paste spree across the internet. It's hard to know if the clothes even exist when the pictures are more recycled than a soda can. If you're expecting the dress in the photo, you might end up with something that looks like it was tailored for a very fashionable potato. Moving on to their social media presence, or rather, the complete lack of it. They have no official accounts on any major platforms, which is a bold move in the 21st century. It's almost as if they don't want people talking about them, which is usually the goal when you're trying to disappear with someone's credit card info. Their customer support is equally inspiring. While they offer an email and a live chat, the chat is just an automated loop that tells you it's waiting for a reply indefinitely. It's like talking to a brick wall, except the wall is less likely to steal your identity. Finally, let's talk reviews. On platforms like Trustpilot, there is absolute silence. No feedback, no complaints, just a digital void. Legit stores usually have at least one person shouting into the abyss, but here, there's nothing. The final verdict is that Tivonette.com is a high-risk zone. Between the stolen images and the lack of transparency, your money is probably safer under a mattress. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more honest reviews that actually tell it like it is.